we will keep, if you didn't put anything on the top, you put something or a block or a pillow. Yeah, we want this diagonal position on the bolster. Yeah, and we will turn around. We will sit in front of the bolster or the pillows or your cushions. Yeah. Now, really close, remember, to the bolster. Okay. Now, when we are like, have another block or pillow there, because if when we lie down you feel that the lower back is a little bit too much arch for you, you put a little blanket or a pillow beneath your bum to make it more easy. Okay. The legs could be bending or crossing or bending or stretching. Yeah. So if you want it, have it cross or open, you can put also pillows or blocks beneath your thighs. Okay. Yeah. So we will lie down on the bolster. Yeah. So ground your lower back on the floor, expand your spine, bring your chin toward the chest. Yeah? So take a moment here to really feel your body expanding. You don't want to be small here. You want to be nice and long. And then open your arms in a comfortable position. Yeah? Comfy with the legs crossed or bending or stretching. Okay? You can put your blanket here if you like above. Okay? Good. So now allow your body to settle into the position. Yes, so take all the time that you need to feel comfortable. This position alone is a beautiful stretch for your spine and your chest. Yes, so if you work in the computer, if you can dedicate 5 minutes and go into this position, that will make a huge difference on yourself, yeah, to keep your spine and your chest open. So allow your body to relax there. And again, we will start to visualize that energy, that green light or the pink, yeah, the loving energy. And imagine that energy going from the planet into your roots. Yeah, you have roots all along your body. Yeah, so imagine all the back of your body, your legs are all roots catching the planet, yeah, connecting. Yeah. And imagine that all the roots are catching that green light or pink light or a combination of both. Yeah? And imagine that goes into the back of your body, but then imagine that go into one way into the back of your heart. Yeah, so the place between your shoulder blades. So imagine that it's concentrated there on the bolster and is entering into your body and is expanding on your heart. Yeah, so it's coming from beneath, entering into the body and entering into your physical heart, but also into the heart center. Yeah, the heart center as a chakra center, as the emotional part of your heart. Yeah. So imagine that in your heart now you have that combination, that powerful combination of healing and loving energy working there on your heart. Yeah. So imagine that is cleansing your heart, is minding all the little or big hurts that we can have on the heart. Yeah. And imagine that is filling your heart with that loving energy, the energy of unconditional love. Yeah, that energy of that we want to feel loved no matter what, no matter how we are or where we are or what we are doing, that you are loved anyway, however you are, wherever you are in life. Yeah, whatever you did or not did. Yeah? So imagine that unconditional loving energy there on your heart, feeling your heart completely. And then imagine that is so much love that you are receiving, that is overflowing your heart and is going out into the cocoon. Yeah, so again, imagine that overflowing like a fountain of loving energy going outside your body, outside your being, filling that cocoon with this pink and green light. Yeah, it's healing light, it's loving light. And imagine that is so much energy that you are receiving. So imagine the whole planet giving you energy. So how much love is that? And imagine that it's overflowing the cocoon now and it's filling the whole room where you are now. And it's go even further, it's filling the whole house, your whole house. And you can imagine expanding that love and overflowing your house, and it's going into your neighborhood. Yeah? And it's not only feeling the building, it's getting in touch with the people on it or inside your house and in your neighborhood, and if you want to expand into the city where you are and to the whole world. Yeah. So imagine that you have so much energy receiving that you can't keep all because it's too much. So you give this energy out. Yeah. Because you have enough, more than enough, and you can give it all that out. But the magic happens here when you give that love, you are sharing this love that the planet is giving you. You are sharing that love, so it rebounds back. So you receive even more love from outside as well. Yeah. So it's a combination of receiving from beneath, from the planet, and receiving from all that sharing that you are giving now. Yeah. So imagine that amount of love, and slowly imagine now that you are receiving that love back to you as well. Yeah. And again, you are filling your cocoon, your house, yourself with that extra love that is coming from outside. Yeah. And open your arms, yeah, and imagine receiving all that love, all that healing energy. And this energy is not only healing your heart, it's healing your whole being and your body. Yeah, so imagine open your arms to receive that healing energy that is cleansing you in and out completely. And breathe that love in. Yeah, let that love in. Knowing that you are loved completely as you are. Yeah, you are loved as you are right now. You don't have to do anything extra to earn that love. You are loved. You are receiving this love unconditionally, unlimited and unconditional love. And now imagine with your arms, if you like to do it physically, if not, you imagine. Yeah? So you can imagine moving your arms like a big hug, catching all that energy, catching that cocoon. Yeah. And imagine that you are hugging that energy and you bring that energy like physically into your heart now. So you can put your hands on your heart center or on your heart and your belly, however you feel it. Yeah. And imagine that you do a gesture to check, to put that idea there, that you have all that love there. Now is concentrated inside your heart. Yeah. And you have it there. So whenever you need to feel love, or whenever you feel that you need to give love, you have that extra energy there. Yeah. And remember that you have a lot of loving energy there. A lot, thousands of energy, or a really huge amount of energy. So you can give and you can receive tons. Yeah, it is not limited. So when you have that idea that you have it there, we will expand your arms back. We will expand your arms. We let them, we spread. And then slowly we will fall, we will bend the legs, we will fall on the side. Yeah, we will roll. Yeah, so we are not sitting. We will roll, and we will stay a little bit there on your arms, bending your legs. And then slowly we will go to a sitting position. Well done. Very nice. Yeah, we will do it one more for the opening. Yeah. So we take the bolster out now. And we can use a pillow, but sometimes it's too much. So we can use a blanket. Okay. So catch your blanket, fold it. It's not a right or wrong position here. Just have the blanket and you roll it. You want to give it to make a nice, not too thick, not too big, because if not, it's too much maybe. So a soft roll, yeah, okay. And you will put it there on your blanket, on your mat, okay. So that roll will be, we will lie down now over, yeah. Have to be beneath your shoulder blades, so between your lower back and your shoulder blades, not on your shoulder blades, because if not you will feel uncomfortable on the neck. Yes, so lower on the beginning of the shoulder blades and between your lower back. Okay, so you will roll. I will put it this side. You can roll on the position really soft. Yeah, so you have it beneath the shoulder blades. So you have to be able to put your shoulder blades on the floor more or less comfortable, your arms open and your head comfortable. Yeah, you want to feel that opening here on the chest. Yeah, so if you feel really uncomfortable on the shoulders, or you move your blanket a little bit lower, or you can put the pillow beneath your head. Yeah? So you want to feel that extra opening of the chest and the shoulder, the solar plexus, yeah? But in a comfortable position, okay? So move along until you find the position. The legs nice and extending forward, legs open, arms comfortable, yeah? And just relax there, yeah? This is a beautiful opening for not only the heart center, now the solar plexus. Solar plexus is the center of the energy of ourselves. The physical and the emotional one is where we concentrate the energy and our power. Yeah, the power in a good sense. Yeah, the power to do the things or to feel the things that you want. Yeah. So you have that solar plexus nice and open here. Yeah? So imagine now that we receive a beautiful light from the planet, yeah? A gentle energy. So we don't want to visualize like a strong energy coming because it's in the evening. We want to chill down, let's say, right? But imagine that you are storing a beautiful energy there. So for tomorrow you have, boom, a lot of energy. So imagine receiving on the solar plexus this energy. So again, imagine that the roots are receiving that energy from the planet into the blanket, and imagine the touch of the blanket into the back of the solar plexus, and then the energy going into your solar plexus. Yeah. Now here you can visualize this chakra. The color is the yellow energy, the yellow light. So you can imagine maybe a soft yellow, soft sunlight, yeah, coming up into your solar plexus, soft and gentle, but still powerful. Yeah, so you will have that energy for tomorrow. And just open there to receive this beautiful energy. You're still receiving that loving energy as well. Yeah, your heart is still open. So you can imagine the yellow light, the pink, the green, the violet above your cocoon. Yes, so you are receiving a beautiful energy from the planet, loving energy, like a big hug of loving protective energy and that cleansing energy from above, plus that energy of connection. Yeah, remember, violet light is the connection light as well. Transformation and connection. So imagine that you are connected to that invisible net or web that connects us all. Yeah, so we are all connected here, enjoying like the same length wave of vibration of loving energy and connection. Yeah, loving, healing, connection energy. And just enjoy that with your open arms, legs open as well. Good. And in the physical aspect, you are opening your chest, your spine. Yeah, it's good for better the breathing aspect as well. Beautiful stretch for your spine, for your arms, for your neck. Good, well done. And now slowly we will bend the legs. And again, we don't sit, yeah? We just roll slowly toward one side, yeah? Over the blanket. Even if you have the blanket there on the side, just move along to bending your legs and put your head on your arms there. Yeah, just to ease the position. And then slowly we will go to a sitting position. Good.